Hello friends, myself is Salgar and in the last tutorial we have seen how to install Eclipse IDE. Today we will design our first project in which we will learn about the basics of object-oriented language. So go to Eclipse, click on Eclipse and click on eclipse.exe file to open your Eclipse. So in order to create new project, right click on it, click on new, click on Java project. So to uniquely identify our project in IDE, we will provide a project name. Let's call it as first project. Now click on finish. Within this first project, we have the source directory, and in this source directory, we will write our classes and we will write all our codes within this source directory. Here we have JRE system library, which provides us a set of APIs that we will use in our program. So now within source, let's create a unique package within which we will design our class. Right click on it, click on new. Now click on package. The package name that you create follows a convention. The convention is company name dot developer name dot project name, and all these names will be written in lower cases. Let's type the package name as. Here, wonderful stuffs is my website name, and dot Visalgar is the developer name, and dot first project is our project name. So click on finish. And package can contain multiple classes. Within this package, you are going to draw your class or structure. You have to encounter with two specific things, data and methods. A data can be a constant or a variable, and method can be anything. So now let's create a new class. Click on new, click on class. So class is the actual structure that contains the data and methods. The unique identifier for a class is its name. You cannot have two classes with same name in one package. Let the class name be second app. Now press on finish. Now we will be presented with the structure in which we will write our code. Now we have the class with the class name as second app. The first program that executes within Java is known as main program. If your program does not have main method, your program would not execute. In order to define a main method, you can specify the return type for the main method, and the name for the method will be given as main, like this one. The methods are specified with the parameters. Parameters are enclosed within the round braces. If you don't specify the parameters, it can be blank as well. If you want to specify multiple parameters, it can be distinguished by a comma. By default, the main method takes in string data type. It will take an array of strings known as argument. Here Void is the return type that it does not return any value to the function or object that is executing. Main is the name of the method, and string arguments are the parameter. The most important thing with this main method is that it has to be static. So we will write static. A static means that you need not have to create a object of second app class in order to access its main method. That is, compiler can directly access this main method from your class itself. You need to have access specifier using which you can allow and deny access to a method from local classes and from other classes outside your package or within your package. Let's say we specify public, which means since compiler is a external authority, that external authority can only access your main method once the main method is public. Here we have specified the public specifier. By default the access specifier is public if you don't specify. So main method will always be public, static and void. In order to take input from keyboard and to display output, we have a class known as system in Java. Within the system class, there is a static method available known as out. So out is a static method and it returns an object which is of print type. Here we can see that out is a static method which has been specified by small word s by red color, and here print stream is the class. Static means you don't have to create object of system class in order to execute out method. Within this print stream class, there is a method print and println using which you can display anything on the console. So we use println, which is a static method. And it takes in some parameter that will be printed out. It takes parameter in double quotes. So we will print hi, welcome to Java tutorials in our console window or at the bottom. There is a option available on the top to run this one. So click on this run command in order to run the project file. Click on OK. Now your application has run and here is the output on the console window. Hi, welcome to Java tutorials. So our first program is ready, and if you have liked my video, please click on like and subscribe my video. Thanks to all.